Contemporary life can be very fast-paced. Sometimes we might not even find the time to connect with nature, to be in nature. As a result, we lose our power and stay unbalanced. Grounding is not a new concept though. If we browse back to history, our ancestors, they spent most of their time in nature. So how do we get grounded? It all comes down to a very unique chakra called the Earth Star Chakra, Vasundhara. This energy center is located at the bottom of our feet. It is the grounding center of the whole body. The Earth Star is said to be the keeper of karmic cycles and past lives. When this center is active, it can help us to stay grounded at any time. It anchors us to the magnetic core of the planet and keeps us grounded. When you remain in a state of imbalance, you may experience a variety of symptoms. Here are a few examples of not being grounded. Dizziness, feeling spaced out, lightheaded, floaty. Difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, misplacing or losing things, feeling drained, tired, falling asleep during meditation, continual daydreaming, sensitivity to light and noise, clumsiness, getting lost even when the area is quite familiar to you, unable to carry on normal conversation, forgetting things, losing track of what you were saying, navigating through life without any sense of direction, being disorientated. One of the best ways to activate the Earth Star Chakra is to meditate outdoors in communion with the earth. You may want to lay down on the ground or sit or stand on the earth without wearing any shoes, of course. So the idea is to be directly connected to the ground. Now, if this energy center feels completely numb to you, you may want to practice more regularly so that you can activate it fully. Once you have started the meditation, concentrate on your Earth Star Chakra, which is below your feet. Draw from the earth the vibration that enables you to become more grounded into your Earth Star Chakra and discharge all the excess energy that you withhold in your body. Activating the Earth Star will strengthen a deep connection to your inner potential and power. It will create a stronger sense of safety, security, and stability in your life.